Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be baking jam tarts. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees and I have greased a tart tray with butter. I'm going to take my ready rolled pastry and I'm going to cut my tart cases out. Now I'm going to place my tart cases into my tart tray. I am now going to fill my tart cases with jam. The jam I'm going to be using is raspberry, strawberry, blackcurrant and blueberry, but you can use any jam of your choice. I'm now going to put my jam tarts in the fridge to chill for 5 minutes. I'm now going to bake it in the centre of the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the jam starts to bubble on top. I'm then going to remove them from the tray and leave to cool on a wired rack. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.